Alright, so we're going to Boeing Airport, is it?
Yeah, it's called Boeing Field. Yep.
Boeing Field.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where we're going to be taking off from.
Yep.
He works at Boeing, and he is the mastermind behind everything that happens there. So.
Oh, yikes.
I'm just kidding.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wait. Cut. Hey, everyone. What's up? We're making a video. This is a video, and you're watching it. So, do you want to explain to the camera what we're doing today?
Going on a flight.
And who's flying this plane?
I will be flying the plane.
That's right. Alright, so here we are. Check this out. This is where we're going to be taking off from. Crazy, huh? So this is the one right here?
Yep, that's the one.
This is the one right here. So he's doing the pre-flight check.
I'm the pilot in command, so you'll listen to me.
Yeah.
And so if there's any sort of engine trouble, we'll follow the engine failure checklist. So we have an emergency checklist. I might ask you to back me up on some of these because it'll be like a little bit of a high stress situation. But then I am trained in emergency procedures, so so should be able to get us down safely. If the engine, if there's any problems, then the airplane just turns into a glider. I still have like control.
Oh yeah.
If there's like an electrical fire or something, then follow the checklist, and then turn off things, and then get the extinguisher, blow it out.
Okay.
And go land.
Yeah.
But yeah, most importantly, yeah, I'll be following the emergency procedures, and then you'll back me up basically.
Yeah.
Let's see, and then so what's important for general aviation is looking out for other airplanes, since we're under visual flying rules.
Oh yeah.
So I have this thing that'll help with that, and then I'll be able to see it on the GPS, like where the other airplanes are.
Okay. Yeah.
But that's only if they're transmitting. Like all of them should be transmitting, but then some people don't.
Oh.
So you can help me, take a peek. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Our mission today, we'll be taking off to the north, and then flying around the city, and then we'll hit a left after we pass the lake, and then we'll go over the water, and then keep going, and then make our way to we're basically going to Olympic.
Okay. Towards that direction.
Yeah, we'll be flying over Olympic, and then we'll be heading south. And then hopefully get a good view of Mount Rainier, as far as we need to go to do that.
Yeah.
And then we'll turn around, and then we'll head back.
Okay.
Land here.
Sounds awesome.
Any questions?
No. Sounds good.
All right, cool. So, tester brief complete. Seatbelts on. Your seatbelts are on. Let's see. Shut off valve. It's on both. Avionics. Master off. Brakes. My brakes work.
Oh, there's even brakes on this side.
Yeah.
Wow,
yep,
that's crazy. So there's brakes.
Yep, so that's the rudder pedals and the nose wheel steering and brakes. Circuit breakers are in, switches off. All right, you ready for engine start?
Yes, sir.
All right, here we go. Yeah, check it out so you can see the other airplanes around here.
Oh, yeah.
All right, engine start. So, mixture rich, carb heat cold. We'll do beacons on, we'll do primes, cold engine, so we'll do 4. 1. So we're squirting gas in the cylinders to prime the engine.
Oh, okay.
In locked. Okay. And then normal. It's another private jet. Open, half in. All right. And I think we're ready to go. Clear! In there.
cannot end this video without a huge thank you for Jason and his wife Connie for just an amazing time in Seattle, for showing me around, for letting me stay with them. I had a really great time with you guys, and I really appreciate the time that you guys let me stay there. And I hope I wasn't too much of a bothersome staying at that house. But thank you very much. I really truly appreciate it. So I hope to see you guys again soon. Who knows when, but hopefully sometime soon. And for everyone else watching, we got a lot more videos coming for you. It'll start tomorrow. Hope you guys like it. I tried to do something different where I don't get to make videos as much as I used to. But when I do, I want to make them all at once and release them all at once, or at least day by day. So let me know what you think about this process, and who knows, I might end up making more videos. I did very much miss it. So either way, thanks guys for watching these videos.
I'll take you there. Tell me you're just passing by, drowning in your reasons why. Talk is cheap, but we're wasting